Morning to one and all. I am from Inter High School. My name is Vinay, studying in 8th class. We are participating in Vikasit Bharat Buildthon 2025. We choose a theme that Samruddh Bharat. The project name is Catching Dogs, Catching Dogs with the help of drone and net.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Arif from 8th Intel High School 8th class. Now, in some villages, the dogs are attacking to the children and they were scaring by seeing the dogs. For that, we saw a news that in that a person was severely injured by dogs. A group of dogs injured that boy.
Then the villagers automatically called the dog catchers. Then the dog catchers threw injections. Suddenly the dogs escaped from the injections. Injections are heated to another animals. For this problem, we found a solution that taking a drone and keeping fixing a net. Now starting the drone, when we saw a dog, we can see through the operator camera connecting to the drone. Then we can release net by seeing the dog. Automatically the nets fall on dog. The dog was captured. Thank you.